Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to search for files or folder in Google Drive. So, we search for a file or folder when you're not able to find them in your Google Drive. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now I am inside my Google Drive. So let's say I'm going to search in Drive for a document, for an Excel document called the expense. Let's see. Okay, so here it is showing me the document, and if I click on it, so now it's loading. So now it has opened the document for me. So the prerequisite for this video is the file you are searching for needs to be in your Drive. So if I search for, let's say, the Microsoft document that I created, the Microsoft, so this is the document. So this is how you can search for files in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to search for files and folders in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.